Step 1. Start by removing the headrest from the driver's seat. You may need to tilt the seat forward to do this. Step 2. Place the cover over the seat backrest with the front side facing forward and pull it downwards, like putting on a t-shirt. Step 3. If your seat has an armrest, locate the Velcro strips on the side of the cover. Attach the Velcro securely under the armrest, ensuring a snug fit. Step 4. At the top of the cover, locate the holes for the headrest. Tuck the headrest's plastic housing through these holes to keep them properly aligned. Step 5. Push the foam pocket at the bottom of the cover into the gap between the seat backrest and the seat base. This helps secure the cover in place. Step 6. Pull the cover down over the seat base, making sure it fits smoothly across the seat. Step 7. At the front of the base, find the Velcro strap, push it under towards the back of the seat. Step 8. At the side of the base, find the other Velcro strap and wrap it round and towards the back of the seat. Step 9. Connect the two straps together as tightly as possible. Step 10. At the side of the base, tuck the foam between the base and the plastic housing. Step 11. Slide the armrest cover over the armrest like a sock. Step 12. Reattach the seat's headrest. Then pull the cover over the headrest, like putting on a hat. Step 1. Start by removing both headrests from the passenger seats. Step 2. Undo the Velcro at the side and slide the cover over the seat. You may need to pull the sides as it can be tight. Step 3. Align the headrest holes in the cover with the plastic headrest mounts on the seat to ensure proper fitting. Step 4. Move the front of the cover behind the seat belt and start to reattach the Velcro at the side. Step 5. On the left side, lift the base seat up. Step 6. Tuck the foam pouch at the bottom into the gap above the metal bar. Step 7. On the right, tuck the foam between the backrest and base of the seat. Step 8. On the driver's side base cover, fit the front of the cover, lift the base up, fold the back of the cover inside out, and fold over the back corners. Step 9. On the passenger door side, again fit the front of the cover, then lift the seat up and push the back towards the gap. Thread the straps through the gap and connect them together under the seat tightly. Step 10. Slip the headrest covers onto the headrests and reattach them to the seat.